Okay, yeah. Good evening. Okay. So, ngayon, bigyan ko lang kayo ng another lesson, okay? Base do sa request sa atin on how are they going to divide. Okay, so let's make it simple muna mga bata, ha? Okay. So let's say, halimbawa, meron kayo ditong multiplication table. Dapat alam nyo how to use the multiplication table. So, gawa muna tayo dito as simple as we can be, ha? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay? And then here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. Then here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 15. And then here we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And then here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 25. And then here we have 6, 12, 18, 24, and then 30. And then here we have 7, 14, 21, 28, and then 35. Okay. So, ito muna yung a little, okay? A little of the multiplication table. So, ngayon, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo on how are you going to use this one, okay? On how this multiplication table would be of help para doon sa mga beginners natin, especially sa mga grade 2, grade 3, okay? So, we will make it as simple as possible para doon sa mga bata for you to be able to learn how to multiply, okay? How to multiply as well as how to divide, okay? So, let's say, halimbawa, meron kayo doon ng, what you call this? Halimbawa, meron kayo doong 7 times 4. Or you have there 7 times 3. Okay, so mga grade 2 ha, this is for you. Okay, so sabi niyo dyan, 7 times 4. So punta kayo dito sa 7. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so dahil andito yung 4, so yun yung pinakasagot na ninyo. Okay, para mas madali ninyong maintindihan. Okay, here we have 7 times 3. We have 1, 2, and then 3. So, yun yung sagot ninyo. 21. Okay, nakuha nyo. So, ganun yung sa multiplication nyo, ha? Okay, now, paano naman kung meron kayo dito divide? Okay, yan naman daw. So, sabi niya, 35 divide by 7. Or, we have here, tingnan natin, halimbawa ng 18 divide by 6. Okay, so, paano gagawin nyo? So, sabi niya, 35 divide by 7. So, punta kayo sa 7. Punta kayo dito sa 7, hanapin ninyo yung 35. Tingnan ninyo ano yung kanyang katapat. Ayun yung pag ganun. So, nakita nyo, ang katapat niya is 5. O, yun yung magiging sagot nyo doon. Okay? So, you have here 18 divide by 6. So, punta kayo sa 6. You go to 6, you look for 18. Ito, 6, 12, 18. Tingnan niyo ano yung katapat ng 18 dito sa dulo, sa likod. Ayun o. So, from here, makikita niyo ang katapat niya ay 3. So, yun yung sagot nyo dito. Okay, so this would be your basis, okay, as an starter sa multiplication as well as sa division, okay? So, gawa tayo ng iba pang number, okay? Let's make another number. Okay. So, from here, ano lang to, this is just a bit of the multiplication table that we have at the back of our notebook. Okay? Let me see if I have one here. Let me check. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Okay? So, you have it here. Okay? So, ito yung, what you call this, multiplication table wherein, 1 by 1, parang 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2, 2. Okay, so this is very, what you call this, masyadong mahaba, no? Very lengthy method. Unlike with this one, ito na yung pinaka i-memorize ninyo. Okay? So, dito, dagdagan natin. So, we have here 6, and then here 7. So, this is, okay, so this is 10, 12, and then here is 14. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, then here 42. 7, 14, 21, 28. Here we have 35, and then here we have 42, and then here we have 49. Okay. So, sa 7 ko muna ginawa ha, kasi we need to use this space. Okay. So, from here, makikita ninyo ngayon, let's say, you were given the question. Meron doon, halimbawa, nakalagay ng 6 times 3. Or, let's say, halimbawa, meron kayo dyan nakalagay na 4 times 5. Or, another number would be 7 times 7. Or, let's make 2 times 6. Okay. So, for the beginners, for the grade 2 students, okay, ganito lang ang gagawin ninyo. Sabi niya, 6 times 3. Punta kayo sa 6, bilang kayo ng 3. You have to count. 1, 2, and then 3. So, kung saan nag-stop, yun yung inyong answer. So, here we have 18. And then here we have 4 times 5. Punta kayo sa 4, you go to 4, and then you count 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there you have it. You have 20. Then, your answer would be 20. And then here we have 7 times 7. 7 times 7. So, you go to 7. And then count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you have it. 49. And then here we have 2 times 6. Then you go to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 12. Okay? Okay. So that would be your answer. That would be your product. If ever naman, halimbawa, binaliktad din nyo, ganun din. So, halimbawa natin, sabi niya, 6 times 3, gawin natin ng 3 times 6. Punta kayo sa 3. Okay? You go to 3 and then you count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, doon. Ayun, no? You have the same answer. Okay? Now, here we have 4 times 5. So, let's reverse it. Let's make it 5 times 4. Punta kayo sa 5. And then, you count 4. So, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, doon makikita nyo. Ayun, no? 4 times 5 or 5 times 4 is still 20. And then, we have here 2 times 6. Or let's make it reverse. 6 times 2, you go to 6. And then, you count 2. 1, 2. So, there's your answer, 12. The same. Okay? So, you have seen that, ha? We were able to get the same answer provided, okay, the skip counting table is correct. Okay, so I suggest at the back of every notebook that you're going to buy, okay, just make it a point na you have your multiplication table. Not this one, okay, not this one. Okay, I suggest you get yung ganito mismo, multiplication table wherein the skip counting is very much indicated. That is, it has a purpose, okay? So, ito pa rin yan. So, ito na yung multiplication nyo, okay? So, now, let's say, halimbawa, meron kayong division. Okay? Ang purpose nito is for the multiplication, for the division, as well for your fraction. Okay? So, let's go to the basic of multiplication. Okay? Para nun, you will be very much well-versed when it comes to multiplication, division, as well as in fraction. Okay? Now, we have here, let's say, halimbawa, okay, so the same number, ha? Let's try 18 divide by 3 or 18 divide by 6. Okay, so what are you going to do? Sabi niya, 18 divide by 3, you go to 3. Okay, bilangin ninyo, hanapin nyo kung nasa ng 18. So, ito yung 3, ha? So, 1, 2, okay, punta tayo ng 3. Okay, let's go to 3. And then, move back, downwards, going to 18. Tingnan ninyo ngayon, ano ang katapat ng 18? Ayun, no? 6. Yung 6 ngayon yung sagot nyo rito. Yan. Okay? Then here, 18 divided by 6. So, you go to 6. punta kayo sa 6, okay, there is 6. Baba kayo, downwards, you look for 18. And then, on the right side, left side, tingnan ano yung kanyang katapat dito sa dulo. Ayun o, 3. Nakuha niya? 3. Okay, lagay natin dito yung 3. So, yun yung kanyang sagot. Nakuha po niya? Okay, let's say we have here 20 divide by 4 or 20 divide by 5. Okay, so tingnan natin ha. 20 divide by 4, you go to 4. Okay, so here is 4. Okay, then baba kayo. Hanapin ninyo yung 20. Tingnan ninyo ano ang katapat. Ayun o, 5. Okay, lagay nyo yung answer nyo dito. You put your answer here, 5. Your quotient here would be 5. Now we have here 20 divided by 5. You go to 5. You look for 20. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, from here, go to the left side. Tingnan alin ang katapat. So you have here 4. So 4 would be your final answer, your quotient. Kuha po ninyo. Okay, isa-isay natin ha. Ito po yung inyong dividend. Okay? Dividend. Etong 5, ito ang inyong divisor. Nakikita pa ba? Okay. So, itong 5, ito ang inyong divisor. At itong 4. Ang 4, ang sagot sa division, we label that as quotient. Okay, so quotient. How do we define quotient? Quotient is the answer in multiplication. Okay? Okay, another one. Tingnan natin. Kailangan well-versed kayo dito ha on how are you going to use the multiplication table at the back of every notebooks that you are going to buy. And then, so ang gagawin natin dito, everyday, i-memorize lang natin siya para noon makatulong sa inyo. So, everyday, gawin natin, umpisa tayo dito sa dulo, sa 9, 18, 21. 9, 18, 27, okay? Kasi, para noon, mas maging madali para sa inyo pagpapunta na kayo dito sa mas mababang numbers, okay? So, if ever, halimbawa, meron kayong lalabas doon, okay? Meron kayo dyan, halimbawa, 36 times 7. Okay, so hindi niyo alam paano gagawin ito. Okay, so ang gawin muna ninyo dito is 7 times 6 equals blank. And then here would be 7 times 3 equals blank. Okay, plus blank equals blank. Okay, gawin ko kaya dito para mas ma-centralize. 36 times 7. Okay, so yan ha. So, that would be 7 times 6. And then here, 7 times 3. Okay, 7 times 3 equals blank plus blank equals blank. Okay, paano gagawin natin dyan? So, that would be 7 times 6 is 42. Itong 2 na to, dito nyo lalagay. Itong 4 na to, dito. So, 7 times 3 is 21 plus 4 is 25. Yung 25 niya, lagay nyo dito. Okay, so yun yung pinakamadali para kayo ay matuto. So, sabi niya, 7 times 6 is 42. Yung 2, lalagay nyo dito. Okay? Thank you so much.